kailangan ding pukawin ng interes ng mga guro para dumaming science coaches ng bansa.
Hello.
Conference Friday and Sunday. On One Sports Plus, and Pilipinas Live. Spikers Turf. It was a 1-point win, 86-85. Luhaan yung manonood sa West Arena and that time. Yes, expected to suit up soon here in the FPBL. You mentioned Orica
mga bata bago pa mandumat.
Sa pangunahing kaisipan, ang mga pantulong na kaisipan ay magkakaugnay sa isa't ang pagpasok o indensyon ay 1 pulgada mula sa margin o palugit kung sulat kamay o 5 espasyo kung ito ay makinilyado. So, Bisha Carla, so key points. Vowel diagrams. So, vowel diagrams, listen, are combination of vowels that combine to make a single vowel sound like and a 3, the E in small, the E in left, the E in L, the O in foot or in spoon, and the O in road. So, the sample pictures are 3, snail, left, eel, spoon, foot, and road. Since you already know what is a vowel diagram, what is a vowel diagram? Kindly read, Kisha Carla.
Vowel diagram are combination of vowel that combine to make a single vowel sound like the A
in 3,
the E in snail, the E in left, the E in eel, the O in foot or in spoon, and the O in the road.
What is that? That is a vowel
diagram.
Okay. Next. Number 3. Picture number 2. What's that?
That is a hay.
Okay, write it down. Write the word.
Hey.
Okay, next. What is that? Number
It's a
4. Okay, B. Buyog, bubuyog. Next picture, 5.
Boat. This
Okay.
is a cook.
Okay, what's that?
That is a boat.
Okay, write it down. The word boat.
Number 6.
Next.
This is C or P. That is P.
Okay, very good. Right, what's new?
What's new?
Next. What's new? So,
Box.
write that. I will read the direction, okay? Listen carefully. Now, are you ready for the next activity? Since you are ready, let's get started. Read carefully all the phrases, sentences, and stories in the 3 boxes. After reading, answer all the questions that follow. Use a separate sheet of paper for your answer. Okay, right? Box number 1, look at this. Box number 1, a delicious meal. Wool for clothes, for dress and coat. Farmers to pray, sheep to raise. Okay? You understand, Kisha Carla?
Yeah.
We will find the phrases, the sentences, and the stories in the 3 boxes. Okay. Box number 2. It gives meat for a delicious meal. So, nahimo na siyang, it will be a sentence. So, and then, some clothes are made of wool. Sentences, that's the sentences. Coat and dress are example of clothes. So, the box 1 is phrases, and the box 2 is sentences. many people raise sheep. Okay? And then, box 3 is the story. So, I will read the story. Kindly listen. Useful animal. So, so box 3 is a story. Okay. A sheep is a useful animal. It gives us meat for a delicious meal. Most people claim that its milk is good for making cheese. Its wool is used to make a clothes like coat, dress, and blouse. A sheep helps us in many ways. So let's pray that many farmers will always raise sheep in their own little way. What animals that is very useful?
Sheep.
Okay, so that is box number
1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 3.
ilan. Okay, if you are you put sorry. Understand the phrases and the sentences box and the story. So there's a comprehension questions to know that you understand what I am reading or talking to you right now. So kindly listen to the questions, Kisha Carla. So number 1 question. How many boxes are there in all? How many boxes? There are
3.
louder. Okay, there are 3 boxes. Okay, write it down. And then question number 2. What are the underlined words in boxes? So there's a lot of answer. There's a lot of underlined words in box number 1. So kindly check. Oh, diba? Kindly check here. Box number 1. There's a lot of underlined words. Okay, look at that. Box number 1. And kindly write it down, the underlined words in box number 1. Put that box number 1. Write down box number 1 and then write the underlined word. Okay? You done? So kindly read the underlined words in box number 1. Kindly read the underlined words.
Yellow wool, cut, pray, sheep, rice.
Okay. Ask question number 2. What are the underlined words in box number 2? Okay. If you want to have a brighter future, Keisha and JB, then you will study hard. Listen to your mother. Huh? Get it? Okay. So that in the future, if you are also wants to have a family, then you have a stable job, right? Okay. Stable job and stable salary. Remember that. Okay? So that's why I'm always...
Thanks for watching, guys. Like and follow for more.